Hi, I'm Sandata, yet Villarreal Jr. Welcome to Video Assisted Instruction, IT Social and Professional Issues series. Right now is our lecture number 9. Let's proceed on our topic for today. So the topics we have is e-services or the e-government, which we have the subtopics. The first one is e-government timeline. The second one is benefits of e-government. And the last is the risks of e-government. Now, what is e-government? E-government stands for electronic government. It is also similar with e-gov, digital government, online government, and connected government. Generally, e-government involves using ICTs to transform. Number one is back-end databases and front-end application. The government processes and provides services, information, and knowledge to all government customers. That is the public, businesses, government employees, and other government agencies. E-government uses a range of information technologies such as wide area networks, internet, and mobile computing to transform the government operation in order to improve effectiveness, efficiency, service delivery, and to promote democracy. Essentially, the term e-government, or also known as digital government, refers to how government utilize IT, ICT, and other telecommunication technologies to enhance the efficiency and effectiveness in the public sector by Jeong in 2007. E-government segments or the components of e-government. Primarily, it delivers the model, government to citizen, G2C, government and businesses or commerce or e-commerce, G2B, government agencies, G2G, government to religious movement or church, G2R, government to household, G2H. Right now, let's proceed with the component of e-government. E-government interaction consists of governance in the following: information and communication technology, ICT, business processor engineering, BPR, and e-citizens. At all levels of government, city, state, province, national, and international. Why have e-government? So, e-government is a fundamental element in modernization of government. It provides a common framework and direction across the public sector and enhances collaboration within among public sector organizations and institutions, between government and the business community, and between government and the citizens. That it serves in the implementation of government policies. It also identifies ways of developing the skills needed by public servants to realize the new opportunities offered by ICT advancements such as the internet. Now let's proceed with the benefit and risks of e-government. Benefits of e-government, we have simplifying delivery of services to citizens, minimizing the government bureaucracy, improve interaction among government units and with business, industry, and citizens, increase empowerment of citizen and businesses through access to information, knowledge, and services, more efficient government management, improve productivity and efficiency of government agencies. Now, let's proceed to the next slide for the continuation. More effectively, cheaper, and more convenient delivery of information, knowledge, and services, making it possible for citizens, businesses, other levels of government, and government employees to easily find information and get service from the government and government agencies. Another is it is strengthened legal system and law enforcement. It improved quality of life for disadvantaged communities, broaden public participation. Now let's move to the risks of e-government. We have hypersurveillance or no privacy at all in e-government because everything is seen by the government itself even though you are private, such as your accounts, bank accounts, your criminal records, or where do you live. Next is cost, inaccessibility. Next, false sense of transparency and accountability. So it can be replaced automatically when it happened in the auditing of Pag-ibig. That's all for today. Thank you for watching and good luck. Congratulations, you successfully finished our lecture number 9.